Hello students, welcome to art class. Last week we learned about the nature art. We have done the nature art with the dry leaves and stem. Today our topic is Madhubani art. Madhubani art, it is also called Mithila painting, is a style of Indian painting practiced in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. This painting is done with a variety of tools including fingers, brushes, nib pens and matchsticks, and using natural dyes and pigments. It is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical patterns. There is ritual content for particular occasions such as birth or marriage and festivals such as Holi, Surya Shakti, Kali Puja, Upanayan and Durga Puja, like that. Madhubani painting was traditionally created by the women of various communities in the Mithila region of the Indian subcontinent. It originated from Madhubani district of Mithila region of Bihar. Madhubani painting were traditionally done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of hut, but now they are also done on cloths, handmade paper and canvas. Madhubani painting are made from the paste of powdered rice. Madhubani painting has remained confined to a compact geographical areas and the skills have been passed on through centuries. The content and the style have largely remained the same. Thus, Madhubani painting has received geographical indication status. Madhubani painting used two-dimensional imagery and the colors used are derived from plants. Madhubani painting is also famous for its world-class paintings, popularly called as Mithila paintings. These paintings are created mostly by women. The origins of Madhubani painting are quite unknown. However, it is believed that King Janak, ruler of Mithila kingdom in the 8th and 7th centuries BCE, had asked to develop this painting in order to capture the moment of his daughter Sita's wedding to Prince Rama of the Hindu epic Ramayana. Madhubani painting originated from Madhubani district of Mithila region of Bihar. Madhubani is also a major export center of these paintings. Madhubani is a traditional Indian folk art made on canvas, cloth or cow dung washed hand paper. The theme of Madhubani painting usually include natural elements like fish, bird, animals, turtle, sun, moon, bamboo trees and flowers like a lotus, love, valor, devotion, fertility and prosperity are often symbolized by geometric patterns, which is another important features of this art form. Natural colors are using for the Madhubani painting. Yellow color was extracted from turmeric. Green color, to make dark green color, artist using green leaves of plants. Black color is extracting wood coal powder. White color is extracting from rice powder. The central theme of the Madhubani painting is the Hindu gods and goddesses. The main theme is supported by the traditional geometrical patterns. Madhubani painting is famous for its naturality and uniqueness. Traditionally, this painting was crafted using natural color. All colors was extracted from plants, leaves, flowers, fruits and other parts of plants. This way, artist was giving Madhubani art uniqueness and naturality. So today we learn about the Madhubani painting. Okay, bye students.